Welcome nga pala sa bagong video natin. Tapos, ito, ilalagay natin sa hawak-hawak na ganyan natin. Ang cellphone. Wait lang guys ha.
Empty trip, wise.
Sa baba. Yeah!
Davis on the floor.
Video. I'm doing a new video. Part 1 pala, hindi part 2. GB. Sakit sa kamay na ito ah. Okay, good na tayo.
Over on a Payo short. Tatum is able to snare it against his old Celtics teammate Tice.
Ulala.
Here's White. Now current
Ha?
Celtics.
Anunood kayo?
The floater won't go. Davis kept it alive into the hands of Schroeder.
Watch the early offense.
Oh.
Get the shooter on my pen.
How about Tice running the floor? Big time presence.
Good time.
Well, they play with some confidence. They know their game.
Oras. Woo!
Played together a long time. For several years now. Traveling violation on Tatum.
Right there are in. Although we mentioned earlier, very active. Sets up with screens.
Nakikita niyo sa salamin.
Drills.
Nakikita niyo yung salamin.
There he is.
White on
Nakikita.
two. Ref.
Big time. Empty at the rim.
Boy, they run pick and roll with Schroeder.
Boy.
Any international team you'll see in the Olympics this year. White needs help.
Hindi ko to phone talaga. This is my real phone.
Yeah, you can tell.
White Coulter, Edwards, Tatum, late in the clock, Jason Tatum. But Jam time won't go for
Ito yung
And Germany with a chance to regain the
hiram
lead.
na nga po dahil may gagawin akong bagong
He's
vlog
in the
dito
screen
sa
and the
Facebook.
foul.
A chance up.
Ito palang muna ko. Dami ko.
Again.
Dami ko.
Sharpshooter.
Daming mag-ano yan ng umaga.
Cuts are so
Aircon
tight.
kapag
4 points
ganyan.
lead.
You could call him the Curry of Germany. Honestly, this is the level of three-point shooting that they rely on most for. He has been so effective as a shooter in his career. With Bayern Munich, 9 straight for Germany to take a 2-point lead.
Ubus na yung uwishi mo.
Sino tumera?
Kami.
Tatum slammed underneath and was looking for Davis. Another turnover, and the U.S. playing some sloppy ball these
Dapat
last 2.5
yung maanghang
minutes.
para di
Selfish play
maanghang.
there, but he could have just turned and shot it himself.
Ang dulas ng quicksand. Pero nakakahiga ka. Joke lang. Yeah.
Schroeder captaining and pulling it out.
Ako mga pang...
Okay.
Locked
Good
is
time.
so effective at double screen.
Good time para sa inyo. Sakit.
6 straight empty trips for the United States. 3 turnovers in that stretch. As Germany is making the lead.
Davis.
Tough
Got
screen.
away with one.
Absolutely. Edwards, no. Davis, no. Out of bounds. Last touch by Teeman.
Timen.
They got to be careful.
Totally.
Extend that arm, an easy call for the officials. Taking a hit, right?
Talo na yung USA.
Schroeder playing tight on Edwards. Screen by Davis. Edwards to take the jump on time.
Fully needed. No space.
But that's the type of precision you need on your screening at this level.
This is where this kid is tough.
Younger on Davis.
Gets down there early. Watch this guy.
Yo, kalipsa mo yo, ang mga mundo ko sa'yo. Nakikita nyo to. At lang guys ah.
Great presence.
Ay, iihi lang. Ay, hindi pala. Mali. Ayan, okay na.
These kids have such a quick check.
Bronze and Mo playing together and doing damage.
Playing together
Edwards
are not
looking at Davis, not a good pass.
playing together are not
Here
deep.
comes Franz all the way, teaming back to Franz and a foul on Tatum.
Had a foul. Boy, beating them down the floor. They are energized, playing with
Alam nyo naman,
the team in
ang
red.
hilig ko dito sa
Beyond Tatum now.
laging ganituhan.
No exhibition game right now for Germany.
Ito
It doesn't really
ay
feel like that. I think the
takbuhan.
intensity level
Pwede.
with which they're playing has been impressive.
Mm.
Ang kinakasal
They are
ko na.
well schooled.
Ginagamit ko pa ng pang-ano ko.
It's not methodical either.
Believing or not.
Hindi naman yan dyan.
Believing or not. Wala kasing 0.5. Ayun o, mas maano yun. Mas maano yun. Mas hanggang dito yung mata mo.
They feel like they can make a deep run.
Ay, dito.
This is the largest lead tied for Germany.
Dapat sa ano mo.
3 quarters.
Bonga is back
Ting,
in.
ting, ting, ting,
Schroeder's the
ting,
only
ting,
German
ting.
starter out there. It's a full bench unit for the U.S.
Wow! That's, ayun yung tawalo.
All over Davis. Now, look at the pass here. Yeah, a little loose with it. The deflection sends it to the back.
Sanga, langa, ganga, tumigas, risik, sos, sos.
But they are much more alert.
Ayan o, electric pan yan.
It's Schroeder on the three and Davis players.
A little neck ball there.
Uy, paano yun gumalaw? Tutorial.
Edwards steering, drawing the contact against Weiler.
Uy, paano yun gumalaw? Ayun yung tutorial. Ayan yung tutorial kung paano.
Gotta cover a lot of the floor against Germany. That's part of the dilemma.
Side to side, quick moves.
Gusto niya ng totoo? O, yan.
Anthony Edwards, raised by his
Baliktad.
sister Antoinette and his brother Antoine. He lost both his mom Yvette and his grandmother Shirley
Bad
in
news,
2015 to cancer.
bad news, bad news, bad news, bad news. Eto ay itatapon ko na sa mga inyo. Hindi. Yung totoo, alam niyo kung bakit ayaw ko magtapon ng teddy bears ngayon.
That's where you gotta play your role now, and then you drive.
Okay, good na.
Be alert, communicate.
Apa,
They have to switch
ayaw na
the pin downs
gagamitin na
too.
ni daddy eh. Pero push ko muna.
There's the back screen pop.
Holst trying to get loose ball tipped alive and
My sound.